Hi everyone, welcome to week 8. So this is the last week of our second project business presentation. So this week you need to record your presentation and submit the video as a final product. And so this week we have 5 tasks in total. The first one is to watch this video. And the second one is keep learning effective presentation. So this will be our last week to learn something about the effective presentation. If you are interested, you can take some time to learn about some effective tips. And the task 3 is you need to use the tool I provided last week in the week 7 page and to screencast your presentation video. I also provide one example so you can watch this video before you start your recording. And also I provided the rubric of this screencast presentation and also the presentation requirements. I hope all of these documents can help you build a very effective presentation video. And in task 4, you need to share the link to your video, or you can just share your video file in 2 places. The first one is the Slack video channel, and the second one is our assignment in our Canvas system. So also you need to give at least one feedback and to your colleague in the Slack video channel. So please remember to share your video in 2 places. And the last thing about this week is the midterm grades. So after all of you submitting your screencast presentation video, I will try to send you your midterm grades as soon as possible in these 2 weeks. If you have any question for the midterm grades, please please send an email to me. I will reply as soon as possible. So that's all for the week 8. I'm really looking forward to watching your presentation video. So have a great week and see you next Wednesday. Bye.